So all of these amazing Toyota Camrys here that look this nice sitting in a row. And what are you trying to do, Steven?
Don't worry about it.
What are you trying to do, Steven?
Trying to polish shit.
Trying to make a turd shiny?
Yeah.
Trying to get one more run out of a car that Zach keeps telling you is not worth fixing?
It hasn't won yet. I'm gonna win with it.
It's never gonna win. It's cursed.
With me driving?
It's cursed.
With me driving, it'll win.
Okay, Steven, let's name the stupid things this car has broken doing.
Transmission fitting, throttle cable. You broke a shifter in it, didn't you?
Yep. Gas tank.
Gas tank.
I think a battery died once in it.
Didn't you kill a motor in it too?
I did kill a motor in it. And then I also had to work and missed a big show with it. So every time I've taken this somewhere, it's been cursed. What car is it? Actually, this is Cannibal. Everybody's asking me, what about Cannibal? This is Cannibal. It's in bad shape. Don't even ask about it.
Yeah, it's not good.
It's infected. Every time infected has ran, something has gone wrong.
Oh, bot, she's imploded pretty good.
I told you, it's garbage.
It's okay, we got a frame puller.
It's garbage.
We got a frame puller.
All right, let's count the amount of places this thing is bent, okay? It's bent. It's bent. It's bent. It's bent. It's bent into the motor. Look at the frame touching the belt.
That's okay.
No, Steven, this is junk.
I'll just use the driver's side.
Steven, this is junk.
That's okay. It fits my personality.
But
I hit some other Camry and like...
Look at that motor mount though, mint. Look at the subframe still good.
Twisted around it.
Twisted around that motor mount. Oh, Steven, this thing is garbage.
That's okay. We'll get her... We got tons of time.
I know we do, but it's...
I'll cut the whole front sub off. It'll be good.
Look at the driver door. It's more impacted than any other piece on the whole car.
Yeah, I know. I felt that one.
Always hard to see who gets you, but... Steven, I'm telling you right now, this car is junk.
We'll get her buttoned up. Don't you worry, sir.
We got so many other cars.
We're allowed like 8 plates, right? For threshold? Or is it 6?
Honestly, I've never really checked. I know Edge Entertainment's rules are 8, but this is not going to pass any Edge rules.
With a bumper swap. That's it. That's all it...
Yeah, technically we have the two pieces.
We don't even have a door bar.
Yeah, we don't have a door. With a bumper swap, it's got too much plate.
How?
You only allowed 2 pieces, 2x6, to hold on the bumper, not 4x6.
That doesn't matter.
You're just trying to see if the transmission's blowing up.
It just ran out of fluid. It's okay. It just ran out of
It's like saying your tire's only flat at the bottom. It's fine.
It was very hot. I had it very hot.
Steven, the rear tire is touching the inner quarter panel.
It's just that one link.
It's like, honestly, a foot ahead of the sub.
It's just that one link. It's just that one link, though.
It's only flat at the bottom, Steven.
It's only flat at the bottom.
Actually, I'm pretty sure that one's flat all the way around.
Who's going to hit that tire now? I'll just leave the rim. Who's going to hit it?
Thrill show rules, all tires must hold air.
Ah, they don't. Ah.
Pretty sure that's like 17. I think you need the right size wrench. You have the one already off. Do you not take it into the garage and find the right size wrench?
Yeah, I could do that.
Yeah, you could do
I'm a glutton for punishment.
You're definitely going to strip that with that crappy adjustable.
There's a will, there's a way.
There's a way to strip it. Did you just strip it?
No. I got it off.
You totally stripped it.
What?
I'm just joking.
Look at this, YouTube! I did it!
He did it.
Zach doesn't know all.
With his crappy adjustable.
Yeah. I've more
always
muscle than brains, for sure.
I've always hated you, Infected, just so you know. I've hated you since birth.
It's okay.
I thought you were going to be as good as Nukem, but you lied to me. Oh.
It's because he doesn't have a hood. That's why it bent.
Yeah, no hood, no rad support.
It wasn't because I went nose to nose with people.
Repeatedly.
Yeah. I knew as soon as I hit that one guy, I was like, that felt really hard.
The car said, ow!
It was straight until then.
It tried to pull one of his hands back. But we're going to do a little bit of work to this. The sun is going down. It's got to be 8 o'clock at night.
Bored.
We're getting bored.
Sandra.
We were trying to play some Wreckfest, but honestly, I just don't feel like being Wreckfest. And I got to be out here. Out in my place where I enjoy it. Quarantined inside the car heaven. So we're gonna do a little bit of work to this. I think it's way too late to start this car tonight, though, Steven.
It's only like 8.
Yeah, you don't have neighbors.
Bylaw's 11.
Is it really 11?
Bylaw's 11.
Okay. Well, try starting it. Just don't rev it.
Would I do that?
Yes. Yes, you would.
Don't worry about that.
So the sun has now gone down. It's getting cold out, and we've had to break out the lights.
Wait.
Threw a battery into it. This car has been sitting since last October. Oh, you checking the oil? Don't check the oil. Ruining the video by checking the oil.
It's good.
Oh.
I have to check that.
You do not have to check.
I put oil in it before Rockton.
Yeah.
And it burned probably 2 liters of it.
Okay, so this car has sat since last October. We hooked the tracker to it. I hear pump.
Is it in park?
I don't think so. No, we put it in low. Maybe take the vice grips and smash that thing down to park. Yeah, that's a good idea. I never checked that.
It's almost like I'm trying to save you from yourself.
Yeah, I got ran over once. Thanks, Eddie. I don't think that's park either.
Come on.
Shifters and mustard.
Oh, there we go.
I don't have any more shifters, so you're gonna have to put an R&R shifter.
Well, Josh's supposed to be making this.
Yeah, Josh is supposed to be making some. All right, let's see if she starts. Come on. Oh, buddy. You want to hop in it and I'll put it in a gear? I can't believe it fucking started. Don't rev it too loud. Don't rev it too loud. That valve is getting shaved down. Okay, you ready? Reverse. Might just need to build pressure for a bit. The ATF to this thing because there was actually none on the dipstick.
It maybe had 1.5 liters in it.
Okay, Steven, try. Every gear is drive, Steven, even neutral.
Really?
Yeah. So that's, oh, my shirt. That's neutral. Try that.
That's neutral?
That's neutral. What gear is that? What gear is that? That was park and it just tried to come ahead. Turn it off. Steven, I think this car is dead. I think infected has finally bit the dust.
It's got no reverse, son.
So,
How
what?
much fluid's in it?
Oh, probably a lot. Put half the bottle in. $26 bottle of fluid. I told you this thing was dead.
Oh my god, no.
I can't even get the dipstick back in there, it's so twisted.
I took reverse out of it.
So, if you guys don't know, sorry about the blinding lights there. Blinded by the light. Look at Steven.
Like a douche, put the boomer in the night.
Steven's blinded. So, every gear is drive.
Even park, even neutral.
Every gear except reverse does something. So, first 1, 2, 3 and drive is drive. Neutral is drive forward. Park, it tries to move ahead until it hits the park pin. I think you cooked it, Steven. So I don't.
Shit.
You know what? We could pull it, but it's garbage. We could pull the motor and put a different transmission in, but I think it's garbage.
The motor is okay.
The motor probably needs a head gasket.
You think? It fired right up. Like
Yeah, maybe not. Maybe it's okay.
it sounds like a good runner. So
We just need to get rid of everything else on this car because it's completely bad luck.
yeah, I guess so. No point in polishing the turd, I guess.
We tried to polish it. We even put new fluid into the damn thing.
I know. Oh, this thing. That's one thing I don't like about this car.
Getting in and out. I even have that pad there, so it's nice and soft.
How much taller am I than you?
I don't know, 4 inches, 5 inches?
6'3".
I'm 5'10". That's
so 5 inches.
so. I think infected has infected its last soul because it's gonna be crushed. Steven has given its last blessing.
I lay you to rest.
Not the motor though.
No, the motor's okay.
Yeah, keep the motor.
Yeah, it's healthy actually.
I can't believe this thing just sat here all winter, and we legitimately pulled it out with that Suzuki, threw a battery into it, and started it right up.
Transmission?
Yeah. But that's the weak point for these things, is the transmissions for me.
Yeah, every single one of them.
Yeah, I keep blowing those buggers up.
Yeah, it should have started.
It should have moved. It went forward
Yeah.
in every gear. That kind of makes me think it's garbage.
It's probably the hydraulic actuator to push the gears.
Yeah, garbage.
It's probably garbage. It's probably blew the seal out because it got so hot, right?
Yeah. But with infected moved, now we can start looking at this thing. We're not going to do it tonight though because it's getting really cold and it's actually very dark out and it's hard to film in the dark.
Yeah.
But what a pile this thing is. Who built this?
I don't know.
What an idiot built this thing. Oh, wait a minute. I was the idiot that built this thing.
What does it need? A strut and the front pull.
Strut, front pulled,
Wiring harness.
wiring harness. Oh,
Maybe we'll just pull the wiring harness off it and crush the whole motor.
no! I need motors. So stay tuned, guys. Much more Toyota Camry shenanigans to come. But I think infected is being laid to rest.
Now that I look at it more and more, and I'm like, oh, I bet they're really bad.
I keep telling you that. I keep telling you. No, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. No, no, just don't look at that part. It's fine.
It's like really, really bent.
It's really bent. Oh, well. Thanks, everybody, for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Maybe when the sun is up. Take care, guys.